Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for cinnamon apple oatmeal cookies. They're so delicious and so easy to make. Let's get started. So what you'll need is 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 medium apple that's minced, 2 cups of oats, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half cup of granulated sugar, 1 stick of softened butter, 2 eggs, and 1½ cups of flour. So in a large bowl, you're going to take your brown sugar, your granulated sugar, your softened butter, the vanilla, and your eggs. And with an electric mixer, you're going to mix it until it's nice and creamy. So once you have this nice and creamy, you're going to set this off to the side just for a second. Next, you're going to combine the oats, the cinnamon, the salt, and the flour. And you're just going to mix this until it's all combined. Next, you're going to take your dry ingredients and pour it into the wet. You're going to mix it around. So once it's mixed, you're going to be putting in your apple. And you're going to mix that in. So once you have it all mixed, you're going to take either a cookie scoop or a tablespoon. And I have a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. And you just take a scoop and put it onto the parchment paper. So once you've done that, it's time to bake, and they're going into a preheated oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's golden brown. I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I do have to try it. So this is what the inside looks like. Okay, now I need a glass of milk. And here you have it, cinnamon apple oatmeal cookies. They did cook about 15 minutes. They're so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.